Adjust the altitude and attitude of your 2025 Toyota 4Runner with our 3.5-inch lift kit. Now, this kit not only lifts but also levels your 4Runner and has a simple bolt-on installation. It's going to allow you to run up to a 33-inch tall tire, further increasing your ground clearance. Let's take a look at the kit. First off, we've got our aluminum upper control arms. These have a greasable ball joint and correct the ball joint angle for the lift. The front lift is achieved using a combination of upper strut spacers and preload spacers, differential relocation brackets to make sure our CV angles stay optimal. Out back, we get our lift using coil spring spacers. Those are paired with our N3 premium shock absorbers. We also include a set of lengthened sway bar links. We keep our rear axle centered with our rear track bar relocation bracket. And we of course include all the necessary installation hardware. So if you want to increase your 4Runner's attitude on the street and ability on the trail, check out our 3.5-inch lift kit. Available today at roughcountry.com.